Hello world, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this lecture series, we will be solving the HackerRank problems. And this is the second video of that series. And in this video, we are also taking a simple problem, which is compare the triplets. So first of all, let's get through the problem statement. So there are two persons, Alice and Bob, each created one problem for HackerRank. So basically, what the problem is that each Alice and Bob has a triplet scores. For example, let's suppose Alice is denoted by A, which is having three scores A0, A1, and A2 in the form of array elements. And similarly, Bob also has three elements B0, B1, B2 in the array. So now the task is that if the array of I is greater than B of I, that means that if Bob Alice has greater score than Bob, then we have to award Alice a 1 point. Similarly, if Bob has greater score than Alice, then we have to award 1 point to Bob. And if the scores are similar, then we have to uh, then neither the person receive any point. So it means that no one is gonna receive any point. So that's the simple problem. So what we have to do in this problem, we have to take two arrays as input of size 3, and we have to return an array with two outputs, which will be consisting of the final scores of Alice and Bob. So we can do that in array also of size 2. So let's dive into the solution for the problem. Okay, so I'm gonna remove all the functions that are already created because we are going to write the problem from scratch. Okay, so now this is the solution class. What we have to do, okay, so this is our main class. In that, first of all, create an object for scanner class through which we are going to take the input scanner sc equals to new scanner, which is going to take system dot in. And now let's declare two arrays, int a for Alice, which is gonna be of size 3. Similarly, let's take another array, int b, which is gonna be an array of input for Bob. Now let's get the input from the user. So for int I equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. And what we are gonna do, we are gonna insert the value in the array a of I equals to sc dot next int, and similarly for Bob, so I'm gonna copy and paste it again, and instead of a of I we have to write it b of I. So now we have taken the input for both Alice and Bob. Now we have to simply compare the elements. So let's create a loop for checking if the elements are greater than or equal to or less than. Then we have to assign the values as per the conditions. So for int I equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Now we have to use the if else statement. So let's first of all check if a of I greater than b of I. Oh sorry, I forgot to create the output array. So first of all, let's declare an array which is gonna have the output for our which is gonna have the score output scores for both Alice and Bob. so which is also gonna type of int, and let's give it a variable as r, which is stand for result, equals to new int, and which is of size 2. And let's assign the value of 0 for both elements. R0 equals to 0, and similarly R1 equals to 0. So R0 is for Alice, and R1 is for Bob. So if A of I is greater than B of I, then what we have to do? We have to just increment R of 0 by 1. So we can simply write it R of 0 equals to R of 0 plus 1. And now we have to use else if condition. Else if uh, maybe B of I greater than A of I, then we have to increment the value of, sorry, here gonna be the braces. So here the value of R of 1 is gonna be incremented by 1, so we can write it R of 1 equals to R of 1 plus 1. And now else condition, if both are equal, then nothing is gonna happen. So simply R of 0 equals to R of 0, or I can write it for simplicity, R of 0 equals to R of 0 plus 1, and R of 1 equals to R of 1 plus, oh sorry, R of 1 plus 0. Now what I have to do, this for loop is completed. Just simply I have to return the or print the output on the console. So for that, let's write a for loop for int I equals to 0, I less than 2, I plus plus, because our array is size of 2, result array is of size of 2. So system dot out dot print, and simply R of I, and then space. So let's run this program and see if it is giving correct output or not. Okay, the sample test case are correct. Now submit the code and see if it's passed all the test cases. So all the test cases has been passed. So let's see what happens in the program. So simply we have used if else condition and check if the Alice score is greater than Bob, then we have incremented by 1 the score of Alice, and else if the Bob score is greater, then we have incremented the result of Bob by 1. And the else statement, where if the value of both the scores of Alice and Bob are similar, then we have done nothing, just I have written the added the 0 in the result for the simplicity, that is nothing. And for printing the output, what I have a nice day.